back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we're in Disney California Adventures, and we have a reservation over there in Lamp Lounge. Thank you. I can never say it. Too much alliteration. But we made the reservation on time. We have 2 of them in our trip. We're here for 3 days. We don't eat seafood, but we're gonna see if we can get the lobster nachos with chicken. I know, I'm so sorry. I know it's a crime, but we're gonna see. But yeah, I just want to take you along with us, so let's hear all about it. I hope we get the cocoa chair. It looks so pretty. Here we are. We got a text saying we're ready. What a view. They're getting ready for the show, so you can see all of the equipment. Very nice. Cool. Hi. We have the menu. They changed it. It used to be a book, huh? Now it's like a trifold.
I would love to have like 5 grand.
Where do you even get these shirts? I got my drink. Hopefully you can hear me. Is this here? So we got the lobster nachos without lobster. We got chicken, I know, but we'll see how it is. How is it so far? So? Worth the money? You don't know yet? I guess we'll have to see. I got a pretty good bite. It has a guitar. That's a cool table. No? It's a guitar? Oh, there's more outside. I would like outside. I don't know how to request it though. I like the little monsters that are holding the... Look, it's ants! Merida? Is Merida Pixar?
Huh?
Is Merida Pixar? So Brendan's putting on sunblock. We were a little disappointed, a lot disappointed with Light Lamp Lounge. To be fair, we got chicken, which I know it's our fault, but it was missing a hot sauce. I don't know if that's again our fault, like I put hot sauce on everything. It only had 2 jalapenos, because usually that's what makes like nachos for me, and it had 2. We had 1 and I had 1, like rounds. Slices, that's it. For $20, not worth it. Maybe if it was lobster, because it wasn't like a price difference if you got chicken. So just a heads up, if you don't eat lobster, maybe don't get them. And now we are at the poultry place getting chimichangas, but you'll see that on the vlog. But yeah, that's the Lamplight Lounge review. We have Trader Sam's tonight, which you'll see in a little bit, and then we have Olga's Cantina mañana, or the next day. So yeah, we'll see. Alright, this is reservation number 2 that we made here at Tagoro Terrace. I think it's right here, but we have to wait. So we had a Trader Sam's reservation. It's our first time here. It's really late and we're not hungry, but let's do it. I'm excited. I asked for an indoor table, so hopefully we get one. And Brendan's passing out, so yeah, don't let that cloud your judgment of the place. But we'll see how it goes. Hey, there's another Paradise Falls, just like in Lamplight Lounge. Very cool. I got the piranha bowl. Ooh, that's an animal. That's yogurt. Brendan got a Mai Tai. It tastes just like a tiki bar Mai Tai, like super strong. It's nice, but it's just strong. But this is yogurt. And then you get cute little coasters. Very cute. My drink! My drink! Song. They're good. Not like their camels though. But they're good. There's a camel. Animal Kingdom with the fries. Yeah, they do. This is cool. Here are the rules. Alright, so we experienced Trader Sam for our first time inside. We had gotten a drink outside. We remembered it was almost like our honeymoon, but not. But it was the day after we got married. I got the same drink, because I remember drinking it, and then I was like, wait, I feel like I've had this, and I did. That's the same drink. I ordered the same drink twice.
Breakfast right now.
Years later, 5 years later, like at the pool. Anyways, what did we think? But I liked it better than Lamplight Lounge.
Oh, 1,000%.
Yeah, the service was great. He was great. His name was Will. And it's a little bit fun. I think it was more packed. It's probably more fun because people are constantly ordering things. Yeah. And this one there's like a little lull, but it is late and they close at 12 and we're here like an hour before they close, so makes sense. The piranha bowl was good. How was your Mai Tai?
Good.
Yeah, you like the taste?
Yeah.
A little too strong for me, I think.
I think it was a perfect mix. Like
the Mai Tai, not the bowl. And then the gyoza was good. Nothing crazy.
I wish it was crispy.
That's what I was thinking too, but I don't know if they're meant to be crispy or that's just how we get them.
No, we've been to like actual places and they're crispy. I just know just how they're made. They weren't poorly made. I just didn't anticipate.
I wanted crispy too,
yeah.
To be fair. He doesn't remember Dr. Kamal's. Mr. Kamal! He's not a doctor yet. Mr. Kamal. He remembers the fries, but not the, I guess that's true.
Like 5 times.
Okay, alright, my bad. No. I've only been there one more time more than you. That's it.
I've only been twice without me.
Anyways,
Have you gone twice without me?
the third reservation you'll see is Olga's Cantina, and that will be 2 days from now, and I'll be wearing something different. Oh, it's fantasy. We haven't been in fantasy. My, what is it called?
Spoiling it.
Okay, I'll see you in Olga's. Hi, you guys. It's a different day. We are in Olga's Cantina today. Hopefully you can hear me. We had a reservation for 9:25. We got here about 10 minutes late, but they still took us in. No problem. So, good to know. We got the fuzzy tom tom. I got the quencher. We've been here quite a bit, so we know what drinks we like already. We tried everything in the menu. I think I saw 1 or 2 new ones, actually. We've never tried the food because it looks a little sad. And you have Ronto Roasters right outside, so I don't know. That's our opinion, at least. But I'm excited. We got a booth. We never get a booth, so that's cool. Alright, so I got the quencher. I'm gonna call it the quencher because I don't know how to pronounce it. Takanda, maybe? Oh, no straw. Huh. And then, so it's really good. It tastes like fruit punch with alcohol. And then Brendan got the fuzzy tom tom. It matches you. And, hold on. I don't want a lot of the foam. It's poisonous, apparently. It has a good flavor, almost like candy rocks. That's what it reminds me of. But it numbs your mouth. It's Brendan's go-to. And I think it's my brother's go-to too. Mine is a quencher.
I'm still getting used to my
I got the jub nub. So good. It tastes like grapefruit. All of these taste like juice. The ones I picked taste like juice. So if you like fruity, juicy drinks, there's no straws, so they're easier to drink. Brendan got the outer rim.
You like that one. Yeah, you love that, right?
Then rock out now and right.
I feel like it tastes like a margarita. Yeah. So it's just kind of like a margarita with the puree. The puree tastes like
Passion fruit.
huh?
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Yeah. Overall, really good. I like both my drinks. I recommend both of my drinks. That's your bone. Okay, we just did Olga's. Overall, did you enjoy your experience?
Good. It's faster. I liked it.
Today's drinks were so good. Like very well mixed. Like they were easy to drink.
Yeah.
Price wise, how much was it for the 4 drinks?
It was
Like 80? 70?
Like with tip, like about 80, yeah.
Yeah. So you kind of want to think about like maybe $20 per person when you go in. Definitely can take your kids. There's like non-alcoholic drinks and they can try the snacks or the charcuterie? What is it?
Charcuterie?
You can try that with them. There was families there. So you could totally take them. But yeah, overall, which one was your favorite between Lamp Lounge, Olga's, and Trader Sam? Olga? For me, yeah, I'm gonna have to go with Olga. We got a booth today, so that kind of made it good. So out of the 3, definitely try to get an Olga's reservation. They open up 60 days before.
Really good. We didn't really open up the menu that far or gone to it that much to
really inspect it.
It was a good experience, but Olga was like on point today.
We probably won't go back to Lamp Lounge for a while, like a long while.
Yeah.
I don't know. Every time we go, we're just like, So Olga's for sure, and Trader Sam for sure. Oh, but yeah. Let us know if you've been to any of them, or if you have any questions about any of the 3 restaurants or how to get a reservation. Just let me know in the comments and I'll help you out. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all of our adventures, not just our restaurants. And until next time, adios.